Mayhem, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be all about PortaPack. So I recently got me a PortaPack with H4M. This is probably the latest version of PortaPack as what I know, as of my knowledge. This is PortaPack allows actually this HackRF to have a board on top of that with an HMI screens and with a built-in speaker and a battery pack that allows you to actually have a portable HackRF system with built-in devices. I'll explain this in a little bit more. So this is what it looks like. This is how the package came in with the H4M image. So once you open this up, I've already went through it. I just wanted to share it with you guys. That's what my first impression was. So you have your PortaPack right here. This is actually an image. H4M is by Mayhem, a very famous. I think the image for this is by Mayhem, and you have this antenna. So let me just put this here and show you guys. So this is what PortaPack looks like. All right, let me just put it like this. It comes with a beautiful premium looking charging cable, which is actually based on Type C, and a telescopic antenna, which is part of the box. I'll show you this in a little bit as well. So we have this telescopic antenna. It actually came with a lot of different accessories. I'm going to show you those accessories one by one. It came up with this huge antenna that you can connect with your PortaPack, which is right here. Also came up with an amplifier as well. So that's the cool thing. This amplifier that goes from 50 megahertz all the way up to 6,000 megahertz and a gain of 20 dB, and that is actually USB-C based, mini USB based amplifier. It came up with this. It came with this as well. So you have a monopole antenna, which probably is for Wi-Fi application. Then you have another set of antenna that is for, I think, for higher frequency application as well. Then I think it came up with this as well. This is actually a GPS. This is quite heavy, so I believe this is going to be a GPS antenna set. So it came up with these accessories. Let me make a comparison between your normal a HackRF and a PortaPack. What is the difference? So if you were to put this side by side, alright, this is what it looks like. So this is what a PortaPack and HackRF looks like side by side. So this is your PortaPack. If you were to look at this, what are some other features beside this? So you have two of these ports, just like in HackRF, plus a device, a charging port. In our case, it's going to be a charging port, or this is the port, same port that is being used in HackRF and in PortaPack to connect to your device as well. And it will also have a headphone jack as well. So you have in actual HackRF, you have mini USB that allows you to actually connect your PC, connect this to your PC, and also, and in our case, this is going to be a power or a charging port as well as you can also connect your HackRF and HackRF mode with your PC or with your computer. Both of these ports are there. One is for clock in and clock out, as you can see, clock in, clock out. All right, if you go back, you have a single antenna port. So this is your single antenna port. Same thing, you have LED lights which will turn on just like this. You have two buttons. One is for your DFU and one is for your reset. So this is your reset and this is your DFU. These are the two buttons. All right. So since it has a battery pack built in, it also has a power button, and it also allows you to connect external mic or a built-in mic. This is probably your speaker. And when you turn this on, this will just simply turn on your power on your PortaPack. Now, if you were to look at this, so this is your PortaPack that has a lot of built-in application. For example, if you want to look at your transmit application, what are some of the transmit application? You can also use this dial as well to navigate through your PortaPack. If you want to just transmit, you want to receive, what type of a signal you can receive, like for example ADS, AIS, and things like that. You can connect your antenna, appropriate antenna, BLE receive, audio, APRS, and things like that. These are some of the application which comes with PortaPack. What I came to realize that you can also have an SD card, because some of the applications that I saw online, so this is a port for your SD card. So you can just simply plug in an SD card, and you can download an image from online, which is from Mayhem, which can be downloaded onto your SD card. And using this, so transmit or receive like this, external application or something like that, this will read your card, and that will actually, you can use those out of free applications that is available. So you can also do that as well using this. So, and you can do a transmit right here. You can do a transmit. You can do, these are some of the applications associated. These are just some of the built-in applications. You can also always use those external SD card and an image that you can find on the website. I'll do that, and I'll probably make a video on it as well. So for recon, I don't know what is it for recon. Let's just simply go back. Let's just simply go back. Why it's not going back? Alright, let's go back. And you can capture signal, replay, looking glass, utilities, and things like that. So that's what it looks like. Let me just simply connect my antenna. I'll show you whatever signal it can receive. So just simply take your antenna and just simply plug in your antenna here. Just for the heck of it. And let's see if we can capture some signals. So let's go to capture. So here we go. So we are looking at 244.2.92, which is actually Wi-Fi. And this is what it looks like. So that's the beauty of having a PortaPack. It's a portable device. You can actually look at it, look at the spectrum. You don't need to connect to your PC or things like that as compared to HackRF. Now, one of the cool thing I want to show you guys is just simply go back. All right, let's say you just want to connect this in to your PC. Like, you have this interface with you, but if you want to use it as an HackRF, so just simply go to HackRF and switch to HackRF. Just simply press, oh man, what happened? Yes, and boom. Just like that, using USB-C port, you can connect it with your PC. Now you can use this as an HackRF. Um, Not PortaPack, not the portable version of it. You can just use it simply as a HackRF. So sometimes if you need like two HackRFs in some of the applications, you can do that. And you can use this guy for as a transmitter, or you can use this guy as a receiver, and so on. Because these devices are still a half duplex device, as compared to other software-defined radio peripheral devices which are available, for example, USRP and Blade RFs and things like that. A very powerful device. I hope you find this video to be helpful. This is just like my first impression of this. Um, I'll walk you through as I go along. But the first thing I want to do is actually get that SD card and get that image so I can see what are some of the other applications that I can find in transmit and receive applications. So I hope you find this video to be helpful. If you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comment section. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.